What up, lads? My name is Asheta, welcome to my kitchen and let's make mixed berry pancakes. So guys, for our pancakes, that's everything we're gonna need. So we're gonna need baking powder, we're gonna need flour, it's plain flour, okay? We're gonna need coconut oil, we're gonna need salt, ground flax seeds, mixed berries, so strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, blueberries. We're gonna need maple syrup, vanilla, and almond milk. So first thing, let's get our flax seeds. And what we're gonna do, that's it. We add water to it and mix. Set aside. Now here in the bowl, we're gonna start mixing all the ingredients. So we add the flour, baking powder, maple, vanilla extract, salt. Are you adding salt to dessert? Yeah, always. You always need a pinch of salt on desserts. But it's a pinch, not to make salty. The idea of salt is because it brings all the flavors together and makes it pop more on your tongue. We are going to add as well some coconut oil in here. Our flaxseed mix. And our almond milk. Whiskey all together until everything is very well mixed, and we have our batter for the pancakes ready. Okay guys, so now my mise en place is done. I have here my frying pan, I have a plate here for the ready pancakes, some coconut oil for cooking, my pancakes batter, and my berry, so some strawberries and everything here. So how we're gonna do, we're gonna start frying the batter, then add some berries on the top, let it settle, flip, let it cook, done. Let it melt. You know what? I'm gonna make my life easier. Instead of putting the whole berries like this after, I'm gonna mix them into the batter. So strawberries in, fill blueberries in half. Things gonna be much easier. Time to flip this baby. The smell of the berries frying, my goodness. Let's mix this. Sometimes in cooking, that's how it works. You imagine one recipe, and then when you're doing it, you say, okay, maybe I can change this, maybe I can change that and make it better. And that's what I'm doing here. We're gonna go for the next one. So a little bit of more oil. Then we scoop. Take out the excess, and I'm gonna go right into the middle, try to make them more round. Let's try this one out. Hell yeah! So far, so good. Let's keep on cooking. Check this out, guys. Can you see the difference here? Because here is dry and here is still wet. So that's how I know it's time to flip it, alright? Because all these parts are already cooked and just here in the middle they're not. So what we're gonna do, flip this baby. See, it's releasing already. Huh? Told ya! Beautiful. Now when this one is done, just repeat the process. A little bit of coconut, same amount of butter all the time, until we have all of them here together. Then we're gonna plate it. This is good. All right, all the pancakes done. Time to plate it. How we're gonna do? Huge mountain. So let's go. Put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pancakes. Beautiful. Now we need some berries on the top. Now to finish, we're gonna drizzle some maple on the top. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, just write down on the comments below. Click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. If you guys want to have access to all the recipes I'm showing here, just go to my website, get your vegan ebook, and you have everything on your hand like that. Description of the recipes, ingredients, pictures, everything on the palm of your hand. Easy, easy cooking.